What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a cable fly.
And this is the cable fly. Starting with the feet placement, staggering the feet increases balance by performing this exercise. In order to fully engage the pecs at the top of the exercise, the elbow should be bent at a 30-degree angle. And the primary target of this exercise, the pectoral major. Okay, and this is what we're not going to do. So this isn't exactly wrong, but by closing the hands, it's going to place more tension in the forearms and have less engagement in the pecs. And here's a variation that can be used to target one pec at a time by focusing on the engagement of the core.
Alright, fam, and that's how we do a cable fly. Until next time.